Hey everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Acura in Grapevine, Texas, and today let's go for a drive in this 2026 Acura MDX A-Spec. So the 2026 MDX has just started rolling in. It's pretty much it's the same as the 25. As the 25 is the first year of the facelift, but I'm going to be getting videos on all the 26 models, as you know, everyone wants to see videos on that, right? So 3.5 liter naturally aspirated V6 with 290 horsepower, 267 pound-feet of torque, 10-speed automatic transmission. You have the touchscreen. This was introduced in the 2025 model. No more touchpad, with built-in Google Maps, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You have a flat-bottom steering wheel on the A-Spec with the silver shift paddles, digital gauge cluster, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, parking sensors. You also have a nice backup camera with 3 different views, ventilated and heated seats, which is good. Black. This is the ebony interior with the ultra suede, Bang & Olufsen sound system, panoramic sunroof. Let's walk around this MDX. Majestic black pearl, shark gray wheels on the A-Spec, frameless diamond pentagon grille. This new grille was this new refresh of the grille was introduced in 2025 as well. The A-Spec's a good looking one. Rear seats, A-Spec and SH all-wheel drive badges on the back of this vehicle. Here's the third row up right now. You also have the A-Spec rear cargo mat. $64,350 is the total vehicle price on the window sticker. 12.3-inch touchscreen display. 12-way power front seats. The Bang & Olufsen sound system is 19 speakers, which is pretty impressive. 21 miles per gallon. Combined 19 city, 25 highway. Let's get this MDX out on the road. Dynamic mode selector allows you to change your modes, of course. Yep. And above the A-Spec, you have the A-Spec Advanced trims and the Type S, of course. The A-Spec Advance is there if you would like to combine the A-Spec plus advanced features, such as massaging seats and such. The A-Spec Advance will not have the Ultra Suede, only the A-Spec has it. Yeah, I love the MDX. I think it's a great car. This new generation of the MDX drives really well. It looks really nice. Has some nice features as well, especially like I love the way the steering wheel looks. It's really nice, and I personally never minded the touchpad. I think it works fine, but like this is obviously easier. A lot of customers wanted the touchscreen, so that's why Acura went this way, and the touchscreen is easier to use for sure. Very fluid movement on the screen as well. And one thing I said, in the 2025 models, I did notice the transmission's a little bit snappier than it was before, because in the facelift, you know, they would revise like little things, little driving dynamic stuff like that. But yeah, the 25 plus is really good. This 26 model is really nice. Very smooth drive. And super handling all-wheel drive is phenomenal. Like, it is one of the best all-wheel drive systems in the class. I have an MDX as a daily driver, and it takes corners like super well for being a big 3-row SUV. There's not many 3-row SUVs which feel that way. Like, while the steering is light, the car handles super well. Like, you can go around corners like crazy fast with any Acura with super handling all-wheel drive, and you'll feel very confident behind the wheel. I'm thinking about, and I'll probably trade in that MDX and get a MDX Type S in a couple years, a certified pre-owned one as a daily, because I love the MDX Type S, and I can't wait to get a video on the 26 model. The thing is, like, even the regular MDX has more than enough like power and everything for daily driving, but you can get the Type S if you want some extra power, if you want a more sporty drive. But even this one, all the MDXs other than the Type S all drive the same. They all have the same engine and everything like that. But the A-Spec will give you the cosmetic look that you want, cosmetic upgrades, more sporty appearance, and definitely stands out more in the A-Spec as well. Seats are really, really comfortable. The Milano leather is really nice and soft, and the steering wheel feels so good, like feels so soft. I love it. Very nice touch points on this vehicle for sure. It's really good. Yeah. Your phone may slide around a little bit in the charging tray, so you might have to adjust it. Great sounding engine. Classic 3.5 liter V6 from Honda or Acura. It's fantastic. I've owned multiple Acuras with this engine, so I'm a huge believer in it. I love it. But overall, that is about it. Very nice 2026 MDX A-Spec here, and I'm excited to get more videos on the other 26 MDXs as they come in. Thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships and Grubb's Acura in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own 2026 Acura MDX.